If you're searching for a place to call home the bustling city of New York, your search ends right here. Introducing 308 East 52nd Street, a student heaven that is sure to redefine your perception of chic independent living. Take your pick from a selection of private rooms and studios, thoughtfully designed and tastefully furnished to provide a seamless stay. Come home to a snug bed, a spacious closet, and a fully equipped kitchenette, all of which are sure to upgrade your stay to an unparalleled level of comfort. But wait, there's more. Say goodbye to daily hassles with complimentary laundry facilities and monthly housekeeping services. Plus, amenities such as air conditioning, lift access, and complimentary Wi-Fi ensure your stay is nothing short of perfect. When it comes to location, the esteemed City University of New York is just a leisurely stroll away. On weekends, indulge your culinary desires at local favorites like La Valletta, Niles on 52nd, or Restaurant Nippon. Afterward, unwind with friends over drinks at Strangelove Bar NYC. Alternatively, hop on the subway or catch a bus to explore the unparalleled vibrancy and splendor of New York City. Does it tick all your boxes? If yes, head straight to amberstudent.com to secure your ideal stay at 308 East 52nd Street.